Hey there, environmental enthusiasts! Today, we're bringing you an inspirational story from Jay's Agri Park in the Philippines, where a team of dedicated tree warriors are making a significant impact through their ongoing tree planting activity. At the heart of this project is a diverse range of Philippine native trees and fruit trees. These trees aren't just beautiful additions to the landscape, but they also contribute to the environment and support biodiversity. The Jay's Tree Warrior team has been working tirelessly to plant these trees, and their efforts are truly inspiring. Their dedication to this project is a testament to the power of community action in addressing environmental challenges. So, if you're looking for some positive news to boost your spirits today, look no further than the amazing work being done by these tree warriors at Jay's Agri Park. Their commitment is truly contagious, and we hope it inspires you to make a difference in your own corner of the world. Remember, every tree we plant has the power to change our planet for the better. So let's continue to support initiatives like this one. And together we can create a greener future for all. Don't forget to hit that like button if this story has touched your heart. And don't forget to subscribe for more uplifting stories like this one. Thanks for tuning in. And remember, every action counts.
8:43 AM. Mga 1 pot lang ang ko na punuan. Ni ang area nga tamnan na mo karon sir. Nabangisan nyo si Uncle Relio. Oh. Oh, gaway-gaway. Ed. Boy, bye-bye ba?